Heard it from a friend.
Everybody, so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog video. Today, me and Ryan are off to Bath. It is a beautiful Saturday and I'm wearing a jumper. I am slightly regretting it because I'm already very hot, but it is a little bit chilly outside. This is typical English weather in April. Oh no, it's May. It's not April, it's May. It's kind of typical May weather where it's sort of very warm and then very cold in the shade, so it's hard to kind of dress for the occasion. But anyway, we are wearing a jumper. Am I going to regret it? Probably. But today, me and Ryan are off to Bath. We are going basically for a pre-holiday kind of shopping trip, I suppose. Me and Ryan are off to Tenerife very, very soon with a bunch of our friends, and I'm obviously uploading this when we're back, but yeah, we're going to Tenerife very soon. We still need a few little bits and pieces, so we're going to go shopping for that. But also I thought, do you know what, let's do a bookish shop with me. I haven't been book shopping in Bath for a little while, and when I go with Ryan, he seems to get some really lovely shots. I feel like the lighting is changing. The sun is going behind a cloud. Do you see what I mean? The weather is very unpredictable. But anyway, me and Ryan are off to Bath, as I said. We're going to do a little bit of book shopping, a little bit of holiday shopping. I thought I would take you guys along with us because I haven't vlogged in a little while and I feel like vlogs are just fun. I love editing them, I love watching them, I love having them to watch back. So that is what we're going to do, and we're going to go to Bath and have a really swell time. So I thought I would bring you guys along with us. Let's dive into the shopping. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and it's not like I need any more books, obviously, but I mean, I would like some more books, and there are some books on my radar that I really want to get hold of. And also I find that the works in Bath, as opposed to the works where I live, the stock is completely different, so I'm hoping that I go in there and find some absolute gems. That is the plan. But anyway, let's go to Bath. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go.
Heard it from a friend, she was in our bed, should've known better. Said it was the truth, she came onto you, yeah, but you let her. Knocked me over 10 feet forward. Never knew I could sleep alone good, I've never been better. You're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell, like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell, like hell. Remember when you tried putting up a fight, bet you feel stupid. Tried to make a scene, didn't change a thing, damn it, you blew it. And you're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah.
So it is a little while later now, and when I say a little while later, it has actually been 5 hours since I was shopping, but I'm here now. I'm here with a book haul, of course. I could not go book shopping and not pick up some books. However, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I picked up 2 books today, which I'm actually really impressed by. I went to 3 bookshops and I only picked up 2 books, so that is progress. However, I also did pop into my local The Works, I think a few days ago, and I picked up 6 books from there, and I thought I may as well include them in this haul because I haven't yet shown you guys these, and I feel like it's only fair for me to show you guys these, and it's a good way to justify me buying more books, so I'm going to go through these as well. So first off, starting with the books I picked up from The Works the other day, the first one I picked up was Love at First Night by Megan Clawson. I didn't realise this is the same person that wrote Falling Hard for the Royal Guard, I think it is, so I'm really excited to dive into this one. Did I buy this one mainly for the sprayed edge? Absolutely, because this sprayed edge is just beautiful. The cover is just, it's just giving. I am so excited. This is what the back looks like. Pause, have a read if you wish. I just couldn't not get it. It was £5. That's the reason I bought it. Bargain, beautiful, had to be done. I then spotted a couple books by Tara Dewitt, I think that's how you pronounce her name, and this is the author of Funny Feelings, and Funny Feelings has been on my wish list on Amazon for, I don't know, absolutely months. I still haven't got it, but I did spot these two by her in the works, and I thought, you know what, let's just pick them up. I think they were both £3, so really inexpensive. The first one is Rootbound, and I'm not being funny, this just looks really, really cute. It's giving like wilderness, maybe cowboy, maybe adventure kind of vibes. I just really loved the cover of this one, and this is what the back looks like. Again, feel free to pause it and have a read. I just love the cover, I'm not gonna lie. I saw it, needed it, went in my basket, and I bought it. And then the second one by her that I picked up is The Co-op, which I'm not really sure again what this is about. At the bottom it says a marriage under construction, so I don't know whether this is like I don't really know, to be honest with you, but again, the cover was just really cute. I loved the cover of it, and I'm a sucker for a good cover. So that's why I bought this one. Again, feel free to pause and have a read of it if you'd like. I just really liked the look of these, and I liked the way they kind of like matched but didn't match, you know what I mean? And lastly, from Waterstones, if you guys don't know me personally, then hi, my name's Melody. I have a really bad book buying problem, and I will also buy the entire series of something before reading the first book. It's just who I am, it's in my nature, but we move on. Anyway, I spotted these in the works. I believe they were really new when I went in, because I don't think these are online while I'm filming this video. They're not online yet, but I saw them in the works and I thought, you know what, those covers are a bit of me. They look really cute. So I bought 3 books by Elizabeth O. Raw. My pronunciation isn't great, but what I will say is that there are some books of hers that I've had on my Amazon wishlist for months. I think it's called like The Devil You Know and The Devil something something. It's like a little series with the word devil in it. They've all got the word devil in it. And I saw these and I instantly thought I recognised the author's name, but the cover of these guys, honestly, I could not get them, and they were 3 for £6. I'm basically saving money by buying them. So I have The Summer I Saved You. Can we just look at this? Isn't this the most perfect holiday book? That is my excuse. I'm buying them for summer. Absolutely beautiful. So that is the first one. We then have The Summer We Fell. Again, the cover, can we take a moment? Absolutely stunning. And again, feel free to read the back if you wish. And the third one is The Summer You Found Me, which again, the cover, I honestly just cannot get over them. It's so beautiful and I just love them, and they look so nice together. That's basically the reason I picked these up. Like, look at these, just amazing. So all of these books from the works were £21, which I think is an absolute bargain. Did I need these? No. Am I glad I bought them? Yes. And then when I went shopping today, I only picked up 2 books. I feel like that's progress, but I definitely didn't need these, but you know, want, need, very similar. The first one I picked up is The Rule Book by Sarah Adams. This is her new release. I'm really, really excited to dive in. I absolutely loved Practice Makes Perfect and When in Rome. They were just such good books for me and I really enjoyed them. So this is her new book and I'm just so excited to dive into it. It looks like such a wonderful like summer read and I really cannot wait. Do I know what it's about? No. Am I excited to read it? Absolutely. And this one was £10.99. And lastly, from Waterstones today, I picked up this book, which is Only and Forever by Chloe Leese. This is book 7 in a series. I own book 1, 2, 3 and 6, I think. So I do really need to get my hands on book 4 and book 5 to kind of complete it, but I absolutely love the cover of these and I've kind of started the collection of buying a series, so I feel like I need to finish it. And I think this is actually her newest release, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like this is a new one that's just come out. But I love the cover. Again, I'm a sucker for a really simple cartoon cover. I don't like real people on covers. It is not for me. But this looks cute. There's kittens in it. There's dogs in it. She has really cool blue hair. I just thought, you know what, let's just pick this up. And I kind of needed it for the series. And this one was £9.99. Although I will say I did have a £10 voucher for Waterstones. So actually, this one was free. So really this one just doesn't count. It was free. So those are all of the books I bought today and I bought within the week. I really hope you guys did enjoy this little book shop with me / book haul video. I really love doing these because I love to see other people go to bookstores and sort of see what's about, see what sort of bookshops they like to go in, and I just find it really interesting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Heard it from a friend, she was in our bed, should've known better. Said it was the truth, she came onto you, yeah, but you let her.